Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the word and sentence. In my last video I told you about the letter and alphabets. Now we are going to discuss how words forms and what are words. Meaningful combination of letters is called word. It means that when we combine 2 to 3 letters it becomes a word and it has a meaning, like BAT bat, SCHOOL school. These are the example of words. Here are a few examples of words like CAT cat. These are 3 letters. When we combine these 3 letters it becomes a cat, which is a meaningful word. And there is another example of BOOK book. This is also a combination of letter. There is another example CIPLOEN. These are the letters and these are combined, but it does not gives us a meaning, or it is not a meaningful word. That's why it is not called a word. It is a combination of letters but not giving us the exact meaning. So it is clear. Now we will discuss about the sentence. Meaningful combination of words is called sentence. It means that in a sentence we have different words and all the words have meaning. Then it becomes a sentence. Now I will tell you about some examples of the sentence which have different words and all the words have meaning. Now I am going to tell you about the examples of sentence. There is a ball. We make a sentence about ball, like this is a ball. In this sentence there are 4 words and these all words have meaning and they all makes a sentence. There is another picture of hat. This is a brown hat. Both sentences have combination of words and they make it a sentence which has meaning, or which is a meaningful sentence. Now I am going to tell you about another example. It is a combination of words like is, a, tree, this, but it has no meaning. Now we will arrange these words and make a meaningful sentence. This is a tree. It is a meaningful sentence and gives us a meaning and tells us that this is a tree. Hope so these examples are clear, and now you will be able to understand what is word and what is sentence. Word is a meaningful combination of letter and sentence is a meaningful combination of words. Hope so it is clear. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, like and share. Allah Hafiz, take care.